Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to your Shopify store. Pretty simple to do if you already bought a domain on Namecheap. If not, do that and then you can connect it. So to find your domain, you're going to basically go on your account here and you're going to click domain list. This is the easiest way to access it. Now let's click on manage. And here you can see your domain is this one. I'm just going to copy it. And now let's go back to Shopify. Now on Shopify, to add a custom domain like from Namecheap, you need to click on settings right here at the bottom left corner. Now here you want to click domains right here. And here you want to click connect existing domain because we already have our domain. So I'm just going to paste the one I just copied from Namecheap and we're going to click next. Now we need to follow some instructions to verify our domain, which means we need to add DNS records. So you're just going to click on these instructions, but you can actually just copy what I do. And basically, we're going to need to add some free records to our domain. So you're going to click advanced settings on your Namecheap and you're going to click add a new record. So the first record is a record, which the host is ETA and IP address is this one. So you're just going to copy it or you can write it down and we're going to save the changes. Now another record would be AAAA with the target of this one. Let's go back and add our record. And now save it. And the last one would be CNAME with www name and the target of this one. And let's save it. Now, when you added all of your records, you're going to go back to your store. It may take a while for it to basically know that you have entered those DNS settings, but let's try to verify the connection. As you can see, there was some errors, but now it has connected. And yeah, that's basically how you connect your Namecheap domain to your Shopify store. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.